హాయ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అందరికీ కూడా గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. In this video we are moving to discuss about the overview of oral liquid dosage forms. So before going to discuss about the overview, we have to know the what is the oral definition or what are the oral liquid dosage forms. So we are already completed oral liquid and oral solid dosage forms. In that, tablets and capsules are also completed. If you found any doubts, you have to uh, go to the playlist that I created a separate playlist for pharmaceutical technology subject. So all of you observe that. So we are going to discuss about the overview of liquid oral dosage forms or oral liquid dosage forms. So oral liquids are homogeneous liquid preparations, usually contain a solution, an emulsion, or a suspension of one or more active ingredients in a suitable liquid base. Okay. So in each and every oral liquid dosage form, base is the mandatory excipient. So all those, a suspension or emulsion or a solution will be dissolved or dispersed in the base. So that is ultimately the liquid oral dosage form. So they are prepared for oral administration, either such as after dilution. So types of oral liquids: syrups, oral suspensions, oral solutions, oral drops, oral emulsions, mixtures, linctus, and elixirs. So in entire pharmaceutical industry or entire pharmaceutical area, these are the main oral liquid dosage forms. Okay. If any dosage forms are available in these 8 dosage forms or only, from these 8 dosage forms are only available, or either syrups or emulsions or suspensions or drops or oral emulsions or mixtures, solutions, linctus, elixir, whatever it may be. So any kind of oral liquid dosage forms are available in the form of these 8 dosage forms. Okay. And one more thing, we have to discuss about the detailed definitions in this video. So the syrup is the viscous. Okay. Syrup is the viscous liquid. It contains one or more active ingredients. So I already made the video. I already made a video on the viscosity and solubility and stability also. If you have any doubt, you have to go to the playlist and open the viscosity lesson and see that. So syrup is the viscous liquid that contains one or more active ingredients in a solution. Simply, what is the syrup? Syrup is the liquid. Syrup is a viscous liquid that contains one or more active ingredients in a suitable solution. And one more is oral suspension. Oral suspension is an oral liquid dosage form that contain one or more active ingredient suspended in a suitable base. Okay. So this also this also like a base only. It's not another solution. Solution means a base solution only. Because the general definition of oral liquid dosage form, all are suspension or emulsion or solutions are dissolved or dispersed in the basically the liquid containing base only, right? Or liquid base only. And one more thing, second liquid oral dosage form is oral suspension. Oral suspension is oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredients suspended in a suitable base. That contain oral suspension in a oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredient suspended in a suitable base. And one more thing, oral solution. Oral solution is an oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredient dissolved in a suitable base. You have to find out the difference between the suspension and oral solution, because here one or more liquid, it contain one or here oral liquid is that contain one or more active ingredient suspended in a suitable base. Oral solution, it is an oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredients dissolved, here suspended, in suitable base. Here you have to remember the word dissolved and suspended only, not another thing. That's the simple definition for the oral suspension and oral solution. An oral drop. So when in case of small kids and infants, they should not have consciousness, they should not have a knowledge to ingest or intaking of a liquid dosage forms. Here oral drops are usable. Drops are useful for in that case. Oral drop is an oral liquid that is prepared to take in a small quantity with the help of a suitable measuring device such as a dropper. Okay, we have to collect the oral drops from the container. Then after we have to measure that solution or liquid with a dropper, because on the dropper it have a labeling. So then after intaking will be possible. That's a oral drop. The oral drop is an oral liquid that prepared to take in a small quantity. Okay, when some of the liquid dosage forms are active pharmaceutical ingredients are have to take very small quantities. So that's why when that cases the oral drops will be preferable for suppose polio drops like that. Okay, polio drops. This is an example. And then in case of suitable measuring devices such as a dropper. And one more thing, one more oral liquid dosage form is oral emulsion. Oral emulsion is an oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredients that are unstable in the water. Means this emulsion is containing what? Again, emulsions are basically classified into two types. Here emulsions are oil in oil based, oil in water based. So emulsion is an oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredient, the same, that are unstable in the water. Okay, that's unstable in the water. Mainly the emulsions are basically two kinds, oil in oil based and oil in water dispersions. These both are the two kinds. And again, mixtures. The mixture is an oral liquid containing one or more active ingredients suspended or dispersed in a suitable base. Mixture is an oral liquid containing that one or more active ingredients suspended or dispersed in a suitable base. Mixture is an oral liquid containing one or more active ingredients suspended or dispersed in a suitable base. Okay, suspended or dispersed are usable words when the mixture is the topic. Okay, and one more thing, the linctus. Linctus is also a viscous oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredients dissolved in a suitable base that generally contain higher concentrations of sucrose or other sugars, fructose, maltose, galactose, arabinose, like that. Because the linctus are the linctus is a preparation of oral liquid dosage form which will be usable when in cases of cough. So if already the throat was sore in nature when in case of cough or any other cases, right? But again, a bitter taste was not ingestible or not absorbable, not having to intaking, right? So linctus is a viscous liquid, oral liquid that contain one or more active ingredients. Okay, one or more active ingredients in all the liquid oral dosage forms, but dissolved in a suitable base, right? And generally it contain higher proportions or higher concentrations of sucrose and other sugars. So elixir, this is the clear flavored liquid that contain one or more active ingredient dissolved in a suitable base that contain higher proportions of sucrose or ethanol. So linctus and elixir, there is a small difference. You just observe. Linctus is a viscous liquid. It is a clear liquid. Okay, linctus is a viscous liquid that contain one or more. This is a clear liquid. Viscosity clear. And it have higher concentrations of sucrose and other sugars, and again it have higher concentration of sucrose and ethanol. Okay, alcohol will be present inside of this liquid oral dosage forms. So when we are going to discuss about the overview means the what are the types of oral liquid dosage forms and how they can classify it and how they can use it and how they can prepare, what are the preparation methods available for that, and what are the quality control tests for all those oral liquid dosage forms. So this complete information is under in the topic of overview of oral liquid dosage forms. So after completion of this video, I can make that I'm going to make all the videos regarding the overview of oral liquid dosage forms, but you have to prepare and see this video. If video is useful, hit on the like button. So thank you for sharing my video and looking my video regularly. Those who are uh, those who are regularly seeing my videos, I'll really thankful to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.